Hi, the word kidney stones appeared in medical texts between 32 and 1200 BC for the very first time. 1.2 million people are affected each year now. Approximately 1 in 10 patients will have kidney stones once in their lifetime. Acute renal colic is the most excruciatingly painful event a person can endure. Striking without warning, the pain is often described as being worse than childbirth, broken bones, gunshot wounds, burns, or surgery. There are four types of stones: calcium, uric acid, cysteine, and steroid, with the most common being calcium. The clinical presentation is according to the position of stones in the kidney ureter bladder tree. Stone obstructing ureteropelvic junction causes flank pain, radiating to groin, irritating voiding symptoms. Stones within ureter leads to colicky pain in flank and ipsilateral lower abdomen, radiating to testicles with or without vomiting. Upper ureteric stones result in flank or lumbar pain. Mid-ureteric calculi gives pain radiating anteriorly or caudally. Distal ureteric stones gives rise to pain radiating to genitals. Stones in bladder are asymptomatic. Renal pain fibers are primarily preganglionic sympathetic nerves that reach spinal cord levels T11 to L2 through the dorsal nerves. Diagnosis is through X-ray, KUB, CT scan, ultrasonography, IVP, plain renal tomography, retrograde pylography, nuclear renal scanning. Painkillers, alpha blockers, urologic agents, alkalinizing agent for uric and cysteine stones are the different treatment modalities. Surgical options are stent placement, percutaneous nephrostomy, extracorporeal shockwave lithotripsy, ureteroscopy, percutaneous nephrolithotomy, open nephrostomy, anatrophic nephrolithotomy. Risk factors for developing renal stones are not drinking enough fluids, eating meat and other protein rich foods, having foods rich in sodium or sugars, taking vitamin C supplements, having family history of kidney stones, having a blockage in your urinary tract, history of gastric bypass surgery, taking medications like diuretics, calcium based antacids, anti seizure medications, cystic fibrosis, cystinuria, diabetes, gout, high blood pressure, hypercalciuria, inflammatory bowel disease, kidney cysts, obesity, osteoporosis, parathyroid disease, primary hyperoxaluria, hemiplegia, or paraplegia. 80 to 85% stones pass out spontaneously. Medical expulsive therapy is done for stones between 3 to 7 millimeter. Surgical options are usually undertaken for stones more than 8 millimeter. Goodbye, and don't forget to keep me, my family, and friends in your prayers. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.